Good day, grade 6. Now we are in Mathematics 6, Quarter 3, Week 4. But before I proceed to my lesson, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for Math Video Grade 6 update. Representing quantities and solving problems. Let's play a game. Choose the letter of the correct answer in less than 10 seconds. It is mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols. A. Algebraic expression. B. Constant. C. Numerical expression. D. Variable. Your 10 seconds starts now. Alright, and if your answer letter A, you are correct. Number 2. It is an expression that combines numbers and one or more operation symbols. A. Algebraic expression. B. Constant. C. Numerical expression. D. Variable. Your 10 seconds starts now. And the correct answer is letter C. Number 3. It is in a letter or symbol that represents a number. A. Algebraic expression. B. Constant. C. Numerical expression. D. Variable. 10 seconds. Correct answer, letter D. Number 4. It has a fixed value that does not change. A. Algebraic expression. B. Constant. C. Numerical expression. D. Variable. In 10 seconds. The answer, letter C. Number 5. Translate 5 increased by x. A. 5 minus x. B. 5 plus x. C. 5th over x. D. 33. 10 seconds. And the correct answer is letter B. Definition of terms. Algebraic expression is an expression built from integer constant, variables, and the algebraic operations. Algebraic equation can be defined as a mathematical statement in which two expressions are set to each other. In simple words, equations mean equality. Example of algebraic expression. A kite flying at an altitude of m meters. Flying is equals to rising or increase by. M stands for meters plus or increased by 25. So m plus 25. Example of algebraic expression represents algebraically its new altitude after tripling its altitude. To translate, 3 multiplied by or times m stands for meters, which is 3 times m. In writing an algebraic expression, we have 3 times m, 3m, 3 times m, or 3 multiplied by m, 3 open and close parenthesis, 3 open m close parenthesis. Direction. Read and study the problem. Maria buys 5-star apples, 5 pesos each, and 3 guyabanos for 32.50 each. She gives the cashier a 200 peso bill. Write an expression for the total cost of the fruit she buys and an equation for the amount of change the cashier should give her. Let us variables to represent the price of fruit. Let M, the price of each star apple, which is 5 pesos. So M is 5 pesos. Let N be the price of each guyabano, which is 32.50. N is equals to 32.50. Let us use variables to represent the price of fruit. Let P be the amount of change. Now translate the phrases. 5-star apples for 5 pesos each or 5M plus 3 guavanos for 32.50 each or 3N. The algebraic expression is 5M plus 3N. This represents the total cost of 5-star apples for 5 pesos each and 3 guyabanos for 32 pesos each. Algebraic expression is 5M plus 3N. This represents the total cost of 5-star apples for 5 pesos each and 3 guyabanos for 32.50 or 32 pesos and 50 centavos each. 200 pesos minus open 5M plus 3N is equals to P. It represents 200 pesos and 5N plus 3N are the total cost of the fruits. And letter P or P amount of change. Algebraic equation. 200 minus 5M plus 3N is equals to P is the amount of 5M plus 3N when subtracted from 200 pesos bill will result to the amount of change which is P. Algebraic equation is a mathematical sentence with equal sign which shows that two expressions or both sides are equal. Remember, the symbol equal or is read equals and separates an equation into two parts, the left member and the right member. Common words translated as equal or equals is equal to, result is yields. Again, common words translated as equal or equals is equal to, result is yield. Algebraic equation. Number 1. Mr. and Mrs. Bertinuega own a laundry shop. They had 134 customers this week, 18 fewer than last week, when an algebraic equation for the number of customers they had last week. Let's see be the number of customers they had last week. To translate, 18 fewer than the number last week is or equals is 134. An algebraic equation is C minus 18 equals 34. Algebraic equation. Number 2 example. Aling Manlin, when asked about her age, replies, I am 6 years older than twice the age of my youngest child. Express her age in algebraic expression. If her age now is 66. Again, express her age in algebraic expression if her age is 66. Let A be the age of Aling Marta's youngest child. Translate. 6 years older than twice the age of my youngest child is or equals 66. So, an algebraic equation is 2a plus 6 equals 66. Aling Marta's age. Direction. Write an expression to represent each of the following. Number 1. 4 times 10 divided by 5. The answer, 4 times 10 divided by 5. 2. 12 diminished by 2. The answer, 12 minus 2. Number 3. 6 times 3 added to 7. Or 7 plus, open parenthesis, 6 times 3, close parenthesis. Direction. Write an equation to represent each of the following. Number 1. The sum of a number and 5 is 12. How are you going to write? S plus 5 is equals to 12. Number 2. Twice a number decreased by 6 is equal to 16. The answer, 2b minus c is equals to 16. Number 3. If 9 is added to the difference of a number and 19, the sum is 90. The answer, open parenthesis, and minus 19, close parenthesis, plus 9 is equals to 90. Another. Do what is asked in the problem. Eva and Linda own a bakery. They had 338 customers this week, 55 fewer than last week. Write an algebraic equation for the number of customers they had last week. Let's see be the number of customers they had last week. What do you think is the answer? Are you ready? Answer: C minus 55 is equals to 338. This is your teacher Benson. I am leaving you with a thought. Keep on study and your life will be happy. Goodbye, my dear grade 6 pupil. Shout out to grade 6 Cadena de Amor. That's all for today. Bye-bye.